Hi there, and welcome to Writing Tip Wednesday. My name is Vanessa, and each Wednesday I'll be sharing tips and ideas to help you become a better writer. Here's today's tip. Use adjectives to make your writing more exciting. Adjectives are words that describe people, places, or things. Adjectives help add details to our writing. They might tell us how big things are, what color things are, or what shape things are. Listen to these sentences. Alex is a boy. He has hair. He owns a car. He likes food. These statements give us facts, but they don't give us a lot of interesting details. That's because these sentences are missing adjectives. Let's read these sentences again after adding some adjectives. Alex is a tall, friendly boy. He has brown, curly hair. He owns a fast blue car. He likes hot, spicy food. That's better. Our sentences have much more detail now. These adjectives help readers picture the people, places, and things we're describing. There are so many adjectives to choose from, so you never have to use the same boring ones over and over. Choose a variety of exciting adjectives to add to your writing. Here are a few ideas. Adjectives can describe the colors of objects, like yellow, black, red, white, green. Adjectives can describe the size of objects, small, large, gigantic, tiny, long. Adjectives can describe the shape of objects, round, rectangular, square, irregular, uneven. Adjectives can describe a person's mood or personality, happy, thoughtful, sad, kind, eager. Adjectives can describe the texture of an object, rough, chewy, smooth, slimy, dry. Adjectives can describe the taste of something, sweet, disgusting, spicy, yummy, sour. Adjectives can describe the sound of something, loud, annoying, quiet, peaceful, powerful. Adjectives can describe the appearance of objects, dirty, ugly, fresh, bright, shiny. Adjectives can describe timing, early, constant, first, sudden, late. Adjectives can describe the weather or temperature, sunny, hot, foggy, cloudy, chilly. Adjectives can describe the speed of objects, fast, immediate, slow, speedy, quick. Adjectives can describe the value of something, special, expensive, worthless, rich, priceless. Adjectives can describe how many, one, numerous, many, countless, few. Adjectives can even be used to describe a story you have written, good, surprising, boring, exciting, amazing. Try adding adjectives to make your next story more detailed and interesting. The best way to become a better writer is to keep writing every day. So grab a journal and be creative. If you would like a writing challenge, here's today's story starter idea. While digging in the sand at the beach one sunny summer day, I uncovered a small brown box. When I opened it, I discovered... How would you finish the story? Remember to add adjectives to make your writing more exciting. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Writing Tip Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you're interested in a fun new read, check out the picture books and chapter books we have available for sale. The link is in the description below. See you next time. Bye!